All right, welcome back, guys. It's about to get really, really real with this discussion, right? So 1 minute you're seeing your best friend and, it happens all the time. And then the next you're lucky enough to find some free time at some point in time to see each other. It gets crazy and complicated. So for our Let's Get Real, we discuss what to do when your friendships change. What do you do? What do you do when things get a little awkward? They haven't seen them in months. Tal?
I mean, I feel like if they're your friend, and they're your real friend, time doesn't really change anything. That is me. And that happens with all of my friends because we have a lot going on as people. Like you have life going on. You're dealing with so many different things. And you don't have the time to be calling everybody every day or talking to everybody every day. And
life is happening.
Yeah, like even with my friends, I understand that and they understand that with me too. Like we don't always keep in touch. Like I'll keep in touch like, hey, how you doing? Are you okay? And vice versa. Yeah. But I don't think it should be a deal breaker if we don't always keep in touch because life changes. Like for example, if you have a baby, of course your life is definitely going to change.
Or you move to a different space.
While I am still young, wild and free. You understand what I'm saying? So at the same time, yes, I might have different interests or have different responsibilities now, but guess what? With the friendship, even though we might not talk every day, I'll make the time to come and look for you.
And I think those friendships are the real friendships.
Yeah.
Like when things don't change, because even if I haven't seen you in years, but when I see you again, it's like we never stop talking.
We never stop.
Like about 2 days ago, I was coming out of TVJ and I saw a friend of mine from high school. We've been friends from high school. Laura Gooden, good morning. I don't remember your married name. I'm so sorry. But she's been my friend from high school and I haven't seen her in years. And I saw her at the gate, at the door. Yeah. I was sorry, and I just said, Debbie, and I said, Laura. And we hung up and it was like a moment. And we started talking about things that were happening right now for us, you know? And I found that to be really, really good. But there's some people who actually get very angry. Yeah. When time has passed and you say, boy, you treat me bad and talk to me, but you ain't know what's happening in my life. Yeah. You don't know. It's not like you reach out and say,
And as you mentioned on that, like I have many friends who moved away. A lot of my friends, like one of my girlfriends, she lives in Qatar. And Qatar, first of all, the time difference is
we know Qatar. We've been knowing Qatar.
The time difference, first of all, when me asleep, you up. When you up, me asleep. You understand? And I didn't see her in like years. And when she comes to Jamaica, or if we find ourselves in the States at the same time, or wherever,